The voice you just heard? That's not me. That's an AI clone, and it sounds exactly like me. I cloned this voice in under 30 seconds completely free. No software, no credit card, nothing. Right now, AI can clone any voice. Yours, mine, your favorite celebrity, anyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clone any voice using AI step by step. We'll also cover AI video summarization and how to generate full podcasts automatically with AI. Whether you're a content creator, developer, or just someone who's curious by the end of this video, you'll be able to do all of this yourself. So if that sounds crazy to you, stick around, because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. First, open Chrome and search for NoteGPT, then open the first website that appears in the search result. After opening the website, click on the Try Free Now button and create a free account. On the homepage, you will see a bunch of AI tools like AI YouTube, AI Transcribe, AI Summarizer, AI Voices, AI Images, AI Writer, AI Chat, and much more. In this video, we will focus on the AI Voices tool. Here, you can create text-to-speech, use the AI Podcast Generator, AI Voice Cloning, AI Voice Designer, and AI Voice Generator. For cloning your voice, click on AI Voice Cloning. Here, you will have 3 options for voice cloning. Upload your audio sample. Record your voice. Design a voice using prompts. I will use the audio sample method. Just upload your audio file. It must be between 10 seconds to 5 minutes long. Make sure your audio is clear and free from background noise for better results. For example, I am using this sample audio of Alex. First, we need to design our own 3D character for the story video. A unique character can become the soul. After uploading, click on the Clone Voice button. You need to wait a few seconds. Once it's done, click on the Save button. Now, click on the Text-to-Speech button. Before writing or pasting your script, click on the Voice Change button. Then go to My Voices and click on the Use button to select your cloned voice. After selecting the voice, paste your script. Here, you can add pauses or vocalizations to make your voice sound more natural and professional. If you want to use this for commercial purposes, make sure to enable the commercial use option. Next, if you want to adjust the voice, you can change the speed, pitch, and volume from the settings button. Finally, click on the Generate Speech button. Once the speech is generated, you can easily download your voice. Hey, can you hear me clearly? This is a quick voice test to check the audio quality and make sure everything sounds clean and balanced. Let me know if the volume is good and the voice is clear, so we're ready to go. If you don't want to use a cloned voice, click on the Voice Change button. Here, you can find free voices or use high-quality voices for better results.
Welcome to NoteGPT. Explore our realistic, natural AI voices.
Welcome to NoteGPT. Explore our realistic, natural AI voices.
Welcome to NoteGPT. Explore our realistic, natural AI voices.
Another useful feature is the YouTube Transcript Generator. Simply paste your YouTube video link and generate a free transcript of the video. You can also summarize the entire script with one click or even create a mind map using this tool. NoteGPT has a lot of AI tools. Another one is Google Nano Banana Pro, which is very popular on the internet for generating AI images. You can use this feature directly within NoteGPT. If you want to remove the background from any image, NoteGPT also provides that option. Overall, NoteGPT is a powerful all-in-one AI tool for YouTubers and content creators. It helps you save time, improve your content quality, and automate many tasks like voice generation, transcription, summarization, and even image creation all in one place. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, this tool can make your workflow much faster and easier. So go ahead and explore all the features. You can find the link in the video description. Make sure to try different tools and see what works best for your content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. I hope this video fulfills your need for the best AI voice cloning tools and helps you take your content to the next level.